Okay, welcome to this session where we are going to solve the volume of a frustum. Most of the time people usually use that formula where they would first look for the height from this length up to there, where they extend another coin up there. But today we are just going to use the straight formula for the frustum. So we know the formula to be this one. We say the volume of a frustum is equal to 1 over 3 pi h, the same height that you've been given. There is no need of saying, no, let's look for the height of the coin if we finish it as a coin. No, we just use the formula for the frustum, where it says the big radius plus the small radius squared plus the big radius multiplied by the small radius crossed. This is the formula for the frustum. So with this formula, we can solve a frustum without finding that height, without saying this subtracted by this. We just go by the formula. The only key parts that we have to look at is we have to have the radiuses. So from the information we've been given, when we read the question, it's saying the diagram below shows the frustum of a coin, the base diameter. So we've been given diameters. So in these diameters, we have to find the radiuses. Now, the radius of 42 and the radius of 14. So we say radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. So we say radius is equal to 14 divided by 2. So we have one radius of the smaller to be actually 7. Then there is a radius is equal to 42 divided by 2, which is going to give us 21. So the radius of the bigger part should be 21. So here we have the radius to be 21, here we have the radius to be 7. From there we can solve now, where we'll say volume is equal to 1 over 3 pi height, then we have the bigger radius squared plus the smaller radius squared plus the radius and the small radius crossed. From there, we say volume is equal to 1 over 3. Pi should be 3.142. Since it's paper 2, they usually give it into 3.142. We have the height to be 20. From there, we open what is our radius. The bigger radius is 21 squared plus 7 squared plus 21 multiplied by 7. When we punch all this together, they are going to give us now the volume of a frustum. And the volume is actually correct if you go by that formula of wanting to find the whole height, where we extend the cone to find the bigger height. So you see that we punch all this together, or perhaps we go by step. Either way, we are going to find the answer. So if we were to punch all this together, what could be the answer? So we say 1 over 3 multiplied by 3.142 close open 20 close open 21 squared plus 7 squared plus 21 multiplied by 7 squared is equivalent to that answer. We say, so the answer is 1334 3.02667. We can round off this to be the volume is equal to 3,334.3. So we know the volume has to be in cubic. So this was the volume of the frustum. You see, this is one of the easiest way. You can try it out, it works. Thank you very much. For this is the formula of a frustum. So when we use this formula, we just have to master the formula, then we can fuse in. We end here for today. Thank you.